All right, guys, so here is probably the simplest woodworking project you can think of. It's a phone stand. It's very useful. Stay tuned to see how I made it. So the first step is to incline your blade at an angle that you want your phone to be standing in. Then next you want to lower the blade so that it doesn't go all the way through the board. In this step, I would suggest using a crosscut sled, but I don't have one yet. And you want to take as many passes as it takes for the slot to be as thick as your phone. Now you can cut your phone stand to your desired width and length. And then you can round your edges using your router. And that's it. You have your phone stand. It's a great gift. It's easily customizable and you can easily sell it on Etsy if you have a shop.